In this video, we will discuss how to use the formula Vlookup in Excel, friends. So to look for expired, here we use the Vlookup formula. This Vlookup formula consists of tables called reference tables. This is a table reference, so this table reference is our reference to seek. This expired, right? To look for this expired. So it's quite easy. Friends, just type the formula equals Vlookup like this. Just double click. Lookup value is this one. Cell B4 is clicked. Then there is a table array. This is a block, okay? That table array is reference table. After being blocked like this, friends, press F4 on the keyboard to make it absolute. Later in another video, I will discuss about F4 is to make absolute. What's the difference if you don't use it? F4 or make absolute it. I'll explain later in another video. Then here it is. Index_num column, namely here. This expired is in the number column. We want to look for expired. In this reference table, the expired is in the number column. This is the item code. It is the first column. Second column item name, amount. The third and expired column is the fourth column. Means here, expired we are looking for expired. Means it is in the fourth column, 4. Then there is the index_num column. It was already 4, then right? There is range_lookup. Well, that's it. He has the choice true or false. We usually use false because we search accordingly. Actual code contained in this item code SO cannot resemble, must be the same. 111. Yes, it should be 111. That's what you're looking for. Then choose false. Here it is. Double-click false. Friends, you can replace this false with number, namely O. So, this false equals O. Later, if friends want to replace O, just make it 0 here. Okay, just close the parenthesis, enter. Appears like this. Okay, it appears like this. Just double-click. In this corner, this is the bottom one. Double-click. So straight away. So, that's 111. Item code 111 is expires in 5 months. 2020 for here, it is just right, and so on all the way to the bottom. So it's quite easy, friends. I think this video is quite short. For friends who found this channel, you can subscribe, friend, then turn on the bell to get our latest video updates. And share with your friends, so that they do too get the same information as you. Thank you.